Hi, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. They're very comfortable around my cats because they know they can't get to them, even though the cats wouldn't chase them if they had to. Come, come on. What are you doing? That's a little boy. And I think that's Goofy coming up the other steps. Come here. I gotta take care of you before we get into a fight. Come on. Come on. Come on, up here. 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 Get over here. There's more blueberries, buddy. See? Yeah, I see him too. He's not gonna come up here as long as you're here. Come on. Come on, little boy. He won't hurt you. He's in fighting mode. Come here, buddy. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. It's a standoff. They're staring at each other. Come on, little boy. Not to fight all the time. Yeah. Yeah, little boy. I know it's your deck. But these guys just want to get a peanut, man. Come on, Chip Chip. The other one just turned around. So little boy stopped staring and took off. Come on, Chip Chip. Huh. Interesting.